Hey guys, zpolt turning back for another video, and today we're gonna do another channel update plus a giveaway announcement already. So we're gonna start first with the channel update. So really thank you guys. This is a 7,500 subscriber giveaway. So thank you for all the subscribers here in zpolt Lab. 7,500 is a lot already for me, and I couldn't have done that if not for you guys. So really thank you for all those who subscribed here in this channel, and for all those who liked the videos and just commented on the videos. I really appreciate all of you guys. I try my best to reply to each and every comment, so hopefully I can get to all of your comments. But yeah, really thank you for all those who engaged here in this channel. 7,500 subscribers. Thank you guys for that number. Next is, as you can see guys, I'm mixing things up here. I have a new background and I'm sort of upgrading the color grading. I'm upgrading the quality of the videos here. So I'm doing a lot of things in the channel to improve it. This is already far from just I think 1 year ago. That's a lot different now in terms of how the channel looks like, and also keep improving the content here in zpolt Lab. So it has gone through a lot of things, and yes, now I'm gonna try to do more camera reviews and also other tech reviews here in the channel. But I'm gonna start first with some Fujifilm reviews because I already have a lot of those cameras. So I'm gonna have a lot more Fujifilm stuff here coming soon. And of course, I did a poll for you guys. You want mobile phones? I'm gonna also consider that. I'm gonna contact some brands to hopefully do some collaborations. So if you guys know some brands, or if some brands are watching now here in this video, I'm open to more collaborations, especially for mobile phones. I'm gonna diversify the content here in zpolt Labs, and that is really exciting for me. And of course, I'm gonna do still a lot more audio reviews. I have a lot of audio stuff that I still need to review, and of course I'm really excited to take a look at a lot more hi-fi and also my headphone collection. I haven't still gone through those, so I'm really excited to take a look at that more, and probably do more blind tests and sound tests here in the channel, and maybe do more creative things with audio. Especially I want to create more educational videos for those starting out, just to get a lot more people to have better audio in their lives. So that is gonna be my mission moving forward, to get more people into audio, so they enjoy more the things that we are enjoying, as audio enthusiasts, better audio in our lives. So I'm gonna do a lot more of those here in the channel also in the future, a lot more educational stuff, and also influencing non-audio enthusiasts to get into audio. So that's why I really like budget stuff, because it gets people into audio, that gateway drug. That is, I guess, for me, really important, because that gateway drug will lead you to enjoy audio more in your lives, and that is kind of my mission here in zpolt Labs, to get people more into audio. So I'm gonna do a lot more videos for educational stuff as well in the future, and of course a lot more audio reviews. This is still mainly an audio review channel. I'm just gonna mix up the content here just to have some fun with my content also. And of course, if you guys have more suggestions for me, maybe creative takes in audio, let me know also down below what you guys think I should cover, especially in audio, and especially for beginners also, just to get them into audio. Do you have some suggestions to make me do that more effectively? Of course, let me know down below. This is more of a community and discussion here in zpolt Labs, and I want to keep it like that. Alright, so that is mostly the channel update. I'm gonna keep it short because I know you guys like to have the giveaway already. So I'm gonna give away a KZ-ZSN Pro, as I have mentioned, and of course the EARPHONE, the black version. So how to join is very easy. Just go to my Facebook page, and I have a post there regarding this video, regarding this giveaway. I'm gonna link it down in the description below, and you just need to like, share, and comment either in that post or in this video why you think you should win this 2 IEMS, and I'm gonna try to judge the best reason why, and I'm gonna explain why the people won in the upcoming video when I announce the winners here. So this is gonna be the first giveaways here. I'm gonna do more giveaways in the future, definitely, especially in the 10,000 subscriber count. But yes, if you want to join, of course, take note guys, like, comment, and share. Comment down below, and of course share this video to your friend in your Facebook post. That is the requirement here, and you can get a chance to win the KZ-ZSN Pro and the EARPHONE. So that is the channel update and also the giveaway requirements. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and hopefully you can win also. Just make sure that your reason is warranted. Thank you guys for all the subscribers here, and of course I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, and also in the announcement video. Goodbye.